everyone, welcome to Dot Dot Toys. Today we're going to be playing and learning with this mini muffin matchup from Learning Resources. In this video, we're going to be using our muffin tray, our squeezy tweezers, our 2 foam dice, our 12 sorting discs, and of course we have our mini muffin counters. Watch until the end to see how I will be using these 2 dice. First, I'm going to be placing these discs into my muffin tray. So let's go over the colors. First, I have the color, that's right, green. Second, I have the color, good job, orange. Third, I have the awesome job, red color. Fourth, I have the color, wonderful, yellow it is. Here's my 5th color, what is it? Kiss your brain, it is purple. And my 6th color is thumbs up, blue it is. Okay, let's begin sorting. I'm going to start out using my squeezy tweezers. Let's get my first muffin. What color is this muffin? That's right, blue. So I'm going to put it right here on my blue disc. What's this color? That's right, orange. So place it here on top of my orange disc. What color is this muffin? That's right, green. So I'm going to place it here on top of my green disc. Pick up this muffin, and this muffin is the color, that's right, yellow. So place it right here. Let's get this muffin right over here. What color is this muffin? Wonderful job, it is red. So I'm going to place it right over here. Get this muffin. Oh, this muffin matches my tweezers. What color is it? That's right, purple. Now we have a muffin for each color. So let's continue. This is a green muffin, right over here. A purple muffin. We have a yellow muffin. I'm going to continue without my tweezers. I want to show you what these muffins look up close. See how cute they are? What color is this cute muffin? That's right, blue. Right over here it goes. We have another purple muffin. Here we have a orange muffin. Yum, yum, yum. What color is this yummy muffin? That's right, green. Here we have a yellow muffin. Let's grab 2 muffins. What color are these muffins? That's right, they're both green. So are they the same or different? Kiss your brain, they are the same. So we're gonna put them on top of the green disc. Here we have, what color? That's right, blue. So we'll put it right here. We have a red muffin. This is a yellow muffin. And we have a orange muffin. A yummy green muffin. Let's get 2 muffins again. Are these muffins the same or different? That's right, they are different. This is a purple muffin, so we'll place it right here. And this is a orange muffin, so we'll place it right over here. What color do we have here? A green muffin. We have a purple muffin. Ooh, surprise! What color do I have in my hand? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. That's right, blue! Good job! Let's do that surprise again. Let's see if who can say it the fastest. Surprise, surprise. As soon as you see it, say the color. That's right, yellow! Now we have a orange muffin. Oh, we have some hiding over here. Oh, let's get this one. Another yellow muffin. Let's get this one. What color is it? That's right, red. And we have a purple muffin. Oh, let's get 2 again. What do I have here? Are they the same or different? That's right, they are the same. They're both what? Yellow, good job. 1 yellow, 2 yellows. Let's do 2 again. Are they the same or different? They are the same. What color are they? That's right, they're both orange. So place them 1 and 2. We have a purple muffin. Place it right over here. What color is this muffin? Blue. And we have a green muffin. We have a orange muffin. Let's do 2 again. 1, 2. Are they the same or different? That's right, they are different. Here we have a green muffin and this is a yellow muffin. So yellow goes here and green goes here. We have another yellow muffin. That goes here, right? No way! That goes right here. Try to trick you. And we have a blue muffin. We have another blue muffin. Here we have a red muffin. I'm holding this orange muffin right here. And now I'm holding a red muffin. Let's do 2 again. 1, 2. Are they the same color or different color? They are different. We have here a blue muffin and here we have a purple muffin. So let's take the purple, place it here, and we'll take the blue and place it here. We have our purple muffin. We have our green muffin. We have two more. Let's do these two together. What color are these two muffins? They are both blue. 1 and 2. Going into our last two muffins, this is our red muffin. And last we have a purple muffin. Good job sorting our muffins into colors. Now that we sorted our muffins into colors, we're going to be using these two dice to play a game. This dice has all the numbers. It has 1, 2, there's 3, 3, where's 4, 4, 5, and 6. And this die has all the colors: blue, purple, red, yellow, green, and orange. Now I'm gonna roll the dice, and I rolled a 4 and green. That means I'm gonna remove 4 of my green muffins. So the object of the game is to get my tray completely empty again. So now I rolled a 4 and green, so let's take out 1, 2, 3, 4 green muffins. Say bye. Let's roll them again. I rolled a 2 and red. So now I'm going to take away 2 red muffins. 1, 2. Ooh, I rolled a blue and a 5. So 5 blue muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blue muffins taken away. Roll some more. I rolled a yellow and the number 3. So I'm going to remove 3 yellow muffins. 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow muffins disappear. Let's roll the dice. I rolled a 6 and the color purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 purple muffins disappear. Let's roll the dice now one at a time. I rolled a 1 and I rolled the color orange. So I'm going to take out 1 orange muffin. 1 orange muffin all by itself. Let's roll a 5 and the color yellow. Let's remove 5 yellow muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 yellow muffins gone. Let's go again. We rolled a 2 with the color purple. So we're going to remove 2 purple muffins. 1 and 2. 2 purple muffins gone. So let's roll again. We rolled a 6 and the color orange. So let's remove 6 orange muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 orange muffins gone. Boop. Let's roll our dice. we rolled a red with the number 4. So let's remove 4 red muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4. My first color that's totally empty is the color red. Let's continue rolling. We have the color orange with the number 3. So I'm going to remove 3 orange muffins. 1, 2, 3. Look at here! My next color that's completely empty is the color orange. Let's keep rolling. I rolled the color purple with the number 2. So let's remove 2 purple muffins. 1, 2. 2 purple muffins gone. And now I have my third color that's completely empty. How many more do I need to go? That's right, I need 3 more colors. So let's roll. I rolled the color blue and the number 2. Oh, look at that, blue 2. They rhyme. So let's remove 2 blue muffins. 1, 2. 2 blue muffins. Let's keep on rolling. I rolled the color green with the number 2. So I'm going to take away 2 green muffins. 1, 2. 2 green muffins gone. Let's roll the color yellow. Let's see what number we land on. We landed on the number 1. So I'm going to remove 1 yellow muffin. Here is 1 yellow muffin. Gone. Let's continue rolling. Let's roll the color, here it goes, green, and let's roll the number 4. 4 green muffins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green muffins gone, and now my green color is totally empty. Now I just need the color blue and yellow. Let's see which one's gonna go first. Let's roll the number 1. Yellow. 1 yellow muffin. And I'm gonna take this one right over here. It's the last yellow muffin we have. All gone. What's my last color that's still in my tray? That's right, blue. Let's see if we can get the number 3 and the color blue. Oh, we have the number 3. What color? Yellow. Is that the color we need? Nope. Let's try again. Now we have green. Nope, not the color we need. Let's try one more time. That's right, blue. We got the number 3 with the color blue. Let's take out 3 blue muffins. 1, 2, and 3. Now that our tray is completely empty, we finished our game. If you like learning about colors and numbers, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're new. Till next time, bye!